Hey flowers, it's your girl Risa Fleur, and today I'm back with another video. What's up? What up? What up? What up? How y'all doing or whatever? This video is all about a DIY. I'm going to show you how I get these and turn them into these. Yes, hunty. Yes, hunty. Okay, so this is a DIY, do it yourself, and we're going to go ahead and get started. But before anything else, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video if you like this DIY sunglasses look. Make sure you share this video with your friends and comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. These sunglasses are from Aldo, and I'm going to use a hot glue gun, some tweezers, some hot glue sticks, and then some stuff from, I think these are from Amazon. So you want to go ahead and start removing the screws out of this these old glasses, and then these glasses are, you know, I removed those screws so they look like just plain glasses now. So I'm just taking out all of the stuff so that I just can grab it and work with it. So what I'm doing now is trying to figure out how I want them to look. I'm trying to design them. I literally just was like, I don't know what I want, so I just bought a bunch of stuff, and now we're just gonna go with it. So I decided to go with a pearl look. So that's what you see me doing. Now you see me just going in with the glue stick, and then I'm going in with my hand, and then I'm just going to place them down, and then I also am going to use the tweezer for like the really small ones, and you just put them where you want to place them. I'm trying to create a design where it looks like it's something that I could have bought at a store, so I'm being very careful, and you want to make sure when you're doing this, you're trying to take off that excess glue. So I'm trying to figure out, you know, just the design. Actually, this middle piece that I'm putting on right now, sis, I took that off because it just was, I didn't like it. So this is how it looks, halfway done. I am loving how it looks. I feel like it looks like I bought it. You guys let me know. But this is a pretty simple thing. You just, you know, glue, you know, apply some glue, stick a gem or a pearl or whatever. If you guys want to see more of these, I'll actually do some more, maybe with some rhinestones so they're nice and, you know, glittery and sparkly. You know I love a sparkle, sis. Okay, so I went in and I did the back side for the what do they call those things that go around the ears? The stems, maybe? So I went ahead and just added that because there were holes there as well, and I wanted to just make sure all the holes were covered. I wanted to look like it came like this. So y'all, that's just pretty much it. The glasses are done. Literally took me like a half an hour. I hope you enjoyed these glasses. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Ow.